Hey guys, moving vlog part 2. I'm in the car. I'm on the way to the apartment to pick up the keys. I look really bad. It's because I was up all night packing. As you can tell from my under eyes. And I was packing this morning, and yeah. So I'm on the way to the apartment to pick up the keys with Jacob, and then we're gonna get the U-Haul and move all the stuff into the U-Haul to the apartment. Hopefully everything goes good, because sometimes things just don't go my way because I have like some bad karma or something. My forehead looks super big. You probably gotta pull the door. Yeah.
Gotta pull that bitch hard.
Jacob's key actually just like doesn't work. And that's what that was. Like mine works fine. It's not like super trashy.
My key's bent.
His key's bent.
That's the most complicated fucking door ever.
It's so cool in here. Okay. Who left this open? Turn on some lights. They gave us a gift. Let's do a little unboxing. I think I saw towels.
That's some like wash rags.
Washcloth
They're like
rags.
towels.
Hey, I'm recording. You're so dramatic.
I am dramatic.
A little loafer. It's cute. I like it. Liquid hand soap. This is cute. We'll put it right here. The sink needs to be cleaned already. What? Okay. 2 cups. Jacob said he'd been wanting some reusable cups, so we got them.
First trash bag.
Our first trash bag. Trash bags are kind of expensive. And our first roll of toilet paper. Yay! Okay, empty apartment tour time. Hello. Make sure you're straight. Okay. Hey guys, we probably locked the door. So this is my first apartment. Right here you have the living room. Open up some blinds. We have a beautiful view of the AC right here. And this is more blinds. Okay. So let's start with the computer area. Let me fix my question. This is our little computer area, so we're gonna have to get a really short chair. So yeah, or you can just sit on it and look here if you want. This is our bar, and we're gonna do bar stool tables. This is the thermostat. It's on 73. So go ahead and turn that down. 71. Because we're gonna be moving. And oh, our electricity's on. Okay. Then this is our kitchen. So it's newly remodeled, so we have the backsplash right here. And then this is our countertop. It needs to be cleaned. And then this is our fridge. So we have a tiny little freezer. It's really cold in there. Yeah, that's what we got. And then like it's dirty. And then this is our fridge. It's a pretty decent sized fridge. We have some cabinets, and this is our microwave, and we have a gas. This is gas, right? No, it's electric. We have an electric stove and an oven, all stainless steel appliances. Nice microwave. Okay, then we have the dishwasher right here. Ew.
Recording who knows what for a second.
Okay, that's your bad camera. This is our wash and dryer room. So it's in the kitchen, which is a little bit weird, but we have outdated washer and dryer. It's okay, I came with the apartment, so. Okay, let's close the door. Okay. Did you do it 0.5? I don't want it 0.5.
No, it's on the 1.
Okay. So this is our patio. It's a pretty nice sized patio. We put some chairs out here. I'm gonna put some plants. Who knows what? Nice view of the car. Don't show my car license plate.
Blur it out.
I can't blur it out. I'm using iMovie. Okay, let's go to the bathroom.
With our yellow tiles.
Okay. So I don't know. I have to scrub this. Not gonna lie, because that kind of grosses me out. And put some Drano down there. It's okay. Y'all should have seen the price we got it for. Yeah.
It's dusty as
Frick. Okay. And then right here, we're gonna have to clean it, like, you know. And then this is our sink. Water.
The waterworks.
They pay for the water. So hold it still. And then we got some storage. This is our toilet. It's really low. It's really low. Good luck aiming. Maybe like this.
I'm about to get on my knees.
Like okay. Save electricity because we're paying the bill now. Okay. We need more lights on though. Okay, it's whatever. This is our hall closet. This is where Jacob is gonna be putting me in timeout. This is our bedroom. Let's add some light up in here. This is our bedroom. We're gonna be putting some curtains up in here. And the bed will probably be going like right here, right?
No,
Or do you want it right here?
it's gonna be here.
Here? Okay, this is where our bed's going. Right here? Well, it's my bed, but it's gonna be our
It's
bed.
gonna be against the wall.
No, because the bed's on a table.
Babe, if we put it in the middle, we're gonna have no walkway here.
It's this big. We'll figure it out. And then this is our closet.
Haley's favorite part. We'll put her bed in here.
A ton of room for my clothes. Okay, so, and like anything for animals, Let's turn off the lights because I don't want a $100 electric bill. Okay, turn on the fan. Wait, I think I can do it. Yeah, I did it.
I did it. I mean,
First
keep
apartment. What?
recording. Keep
No,
recording.
that's it. Jacob is all moved in. This is all he has. And these things over here. I am going to fill this apartment up. I was thinking we could put your shoes up there because you can reach them.
Yeah, I'm just setting them there for now.
Yeah. No, I put them there. He's so cute. Look at my little boyfriend. Hey guys, so we're with Alec and he's helping us move, and yeah, we're on the way to get the U-Haul, so let's hope this part goes good. We got the keys. I showed you the apartment. So we're in the U-Haul and I'm literally so scared because Jacob has never driven a U-Haul before. It was so sketchy and the car smells like cigarettes and it was really sketch, but it was only $58 for like everything and per mile and stuff like that. So we're packing up the U-Haul. This is what we got so far. It's just stuff. It's just bedroom stuff. Soft stuff. I got a lot of shit. We have everything packed in the back and it's raining. Hopefully it'll stop because it looks sunny. So this is my boxes. This is all my stuff. Like all of this is my stuff besides the chairs. And all Jacob has is this. Well, not even that. This. And then what's in the closet. Can you believe that? Yeah, so I even have some more stuff over here. But yeah. So the plant is gonna go there. That's where the plant's gonna go. Somewhere. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And we're gonna go move the bed in and the dresser, and then we're gonna go shopping, but that's a whole nother video. So we moved the bed in, and now we're gonna go drop the U-Haul off. Good morning. So that's like the end of the video. Sorry I didn't record. I'm gonna do a tour when the house is actually done. I don't want to show you guys it when it's not pretty. Like, there's stuff everywhere right now. So I'll just show you guys that later. But I love you guys. Thank you for watching. And I'm gonna have a shopping vlog that's separate because I just want it separate. But yeah, I love you.